Yo, that one a serious start, Jano. I came across a post from a friend of mine saying a friend of her who is close to her is not so fine. I'ma take some time to write these notes. Please note, this is no joke, for that man have no time. Listen close to what I wrote, it might stick you like a porcupine. Genuine friends like Nascine Morris is so hard to find. She's saying strong to Amoy Lewis who now hardly smile. You're asking why? She suffers a rare disease that needs urgent attention. This makes me wanna cry, so please go and go support our GoFundMe campaign. I'm telling all you guys. Neuromyelitis, optica spectrum disorder, NMOSD, also known as Devic disease, is a chronic disorder of the brain and spinal cord dominated by inflammation of the optic and inflammation of the spinal cord. Yeah, so this is precisely the challenge Miss Amoy Lewis is encountering at this moment in time. She's currently a student of the University of the West Indies, studying to acquire her bachelor's degree in science education. Before all of this occurred, let me take you way back in a time, about 2012, her final year in high school. She was indeed struck with dismay when she lost mobility and functionality in her right leg. Yup, just like that, it all happened. She suddenly, 1 minute happy teenager, making the most of her youthful days by creating memories with friends, excelling academically, and creating big plans for the future like teenagers do. Then suddenly everything changed. She woke up with her legs shaking like leaves on a tree, along with several other symptoms, and before you knew it, she was physically challenged with no conclusive diagnosis. Despite her physical, mental, and emotional challenges, she still pursued doing her CXC examinations, although her father had to carry her upon him back from time to time, going back and forth. She later got a job to proceed to attend the university. As time shifts swiftly, let me fast forward on to June 23rd, 2019, the year when she finally diagnosed with neuromyelitis, optic, and spectrum disorder, yeah, that rare chronic disease. The condition hosts a number of symptoms ranging from excruciating neuropathic pain, numbness and tingling in both legs, swelling of the leg to intermediate paralysis. Then unfortunate happened again. The disease as its nature began taking a toll of her for the worse. As treatment, she was placed on steroids. Along with being physically challenged, she is now bombarded with a number of new ailments, and the one she had before progressively worsened. At 24 years of age, she is physically challenged, severe gluten intolerant, unable to hold her urine, lactose intolerant, insecure and demotivated. She starts with making changes to her diet. She must pay very close attention to her weight, attending doctor's appointment, reminding herself to take her pills, and documenting new symptoms. She was recently given hope by her doctor that if she undergo a particular series of treatment, she can now become stabilized and get back to living somewhat of a normal life. Hence why we are therefore seeking public assistance on this journey to making their dream a reality. This young lady who works really hard despite her challenges is one who shows real promise. I believe she deserves the chance to be all that she can. I've seen this young lady overcome and thrive through every obstacles and still continues to pursue her dreams and ambitions. I'm so proud. Such an inspiration to myself and many others. So, Jamaica and the entire world who is watching this video right now, please go and go support Amoy Lewis GoFundMe campaign. The URL will be in the description. You can click the link and it take you there. The estimated is approximately $7,000 to cover the cost of her treatment, as well as miscellaneous costs for items like medication, adult diapers, necessary instances, as well as dietary supplements and dietitian visits. Feel absolutely free to contact the campaign organizer, Miss Nascine Morris, via WhatsApp on 876-283-6590. We really want to thank everyone in advance for their kind assistance, whether through donations, whether by sharing this link, sharing this video, as well as wishes. Make sure to go and go subscribe to Great Amaziah on YouTube. Also remember, please hit the notification bell and we'll sure keep you updated as Amoy Lewis journey continues. Tell them precisely.